Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again thank you so much for all the support we've received. We couldn't do this without you. We've had so many kind thoughts and offers and help along the way. Obviously we're still homeless, hence the ginger beard. Right, I'm going to do it as quick as I possibly can, but I believe this is what I have to say is one of the reasons Monday was so extreme and forceful to shut me out. You might not think it affects you, but I believe what I'm about to show you affects everybody who has a mortgage. Everybody who has a mortgage, and this little batch of documents here, although it includes my mortgage, this is a batch of £2.55 billion worth, and it's only one batch, and you can find this information for yourself. It's vitally important, especially for people who've already had their houses stolen illegally. Anyway, as brief as I can, and I'll put links below to these three documents so you can check it for yourself. This first document, I took up my mortgage in 2004. This is the Kensington Group results for year ended 30th of November 2005. Sorry, it was 2005 I had my mortgage, my apologies. This is the end of year results. This is published, and I'll put the link below, on Companies House. It's a public document. It's public. We're legally entitled to see these. They're published for our benefit. So, I'll run just through a few lines. A record total of £2.55 billion of bonds were issued via 4 securitisations, and £740 million worth of mortgages were sold to trade buyers via 5 whole loan sales. So, securitisation basically just means they sold them, funding the Kensington businesses. During 2005, the year I had my mortgage, and if you've got a Kensington or a Money Partners loan from that time, yours quite possibly is included in this batch. During 2005, Kensington issued £2.55 billion worth of bonds into the fixed income market through 2 successful securitisations of Kensington mortgage collateral, residential mortgage securities, RMS 20 and RMS 21. More importantly for me, and 2 securitisations of Money Partners collateral, MPS 1 and MPS 2. That's Money Partners Securities 1 and Money Partners Securities 2. This brings the total of bonds issued to date to over 10 billion. To continue, securitisation, selling the mortgage. During the year, Kensington raised £2.55 billion of non-recourse finance through 4 securitisations: RMS 20, £850 million, RMS 21, £900 million, comprising mortgages sourced through the Kensington mortgage business, and MPS 1, £400 million, MPS 2, £400 million, representing the first securitisations of mortgages sourced through Money Partners Limited. That's who initially was my loan company. The special purpose vehicles used, clearly in the end of your report: Money Partners Securities 1 PLC, special purpose vehicle; Money Partners Securities 2, special purpose vehicle. So, we are in no doubt that Kensington sold my mortgage at the end of 2005. So, MPS 1, MPS 2, Money Partners Securities 1 and Money Partners Securities 2. Once again, Companies House, I'll put the links on before. Corporations and companies, by law, have to register deeds with Companies House, and they're public documents. You can go and see them for yourself. Look up yours. This is the most important thing you're going to be able to do if you've got a mortgage, especially if they're threatening to take it off you. They're both the same, pretty much. So I'm only going to go through the one of them to save time. Money Partners Securities 1 PLC, 8th of August 2005. The second one is 30th of November 2005, and that's MPS 2. Description of the instrument: a deed of charge and assignment, the deed of charge dated the 8th of August 2005, made between the company, Kensington Capital Trust Company Limited, More importantly, name and address of the mortgagees or persons entitled to the charge. Capita Trust Company Limited, not Kensington. They've assigned them over with a deed, which you must do if you're dealing with land. Particulars of all the property mortgaged or charged, see Schedule 1. Schedule 1, and please, you can read it for yourself. I'm just picking out some vitally important bits. The company, Kensington, by way of first fixed security, blah, 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 has charged to the trustee, Capita Trust Company, by way of first fixed equitable charge, all the company's right, title, interest and benefit, present and future. I'll read that again. Has charged to the trustee by way of first fixed equitable charge all the company's right, title, interest and benefit, present and future in, to and under the English mortgage loans in the mortgage pool, and all monies assured by or to become payable by under the same, and the benefit of all covenants relating to, and all the powers and remedies enforcing the same, and the title deeds and documents relating to the properties situated in England and Wales, and any other contractual documents or any security documents in either case setting out the terms of the loans to hold the same unto the trustees absolutely for the trustee itself and on trust. Now, I'm just going to break that down for you briefly. We have documented material evidence in just 3 documents registered, published on Companies House. These are official documents available to the public. There is no doubt that Kensington sold all their rights, title, interest and benefit, present and future, to Capita Trust Company Limited. Now this leaves us with a few issues. Number 1, if a company who has no right, title, interest or benefit in any property whatsoever is coming and taking money off me for 12 years, isn't that extortion? I'll leave it up to you. Number 2, they signed over their title within the rights, titles, interest and benefit, and yet Kensington Mortgage Company still have their name on the title register at the land registry, and they used this document to dupe the courts into believing that they had a legal title over the property, but they sold it in 2005. Number 3, Kensington Mortgage Company took me through the civil courts claiming to be the claimant, the injured party, saying that I hadn't fulfilled my contract with them. What contract with them? It has been gone since 2005. That is fraud on the courts. Number 3, as I'm sure you're aware, number 4, sorry, it's been a long couple of days. As I'm sure you're all aware and you've all seen the video, Kensington Mortgage Company alone instructed the actions, and somebody at Kensington or agents thereof signed the EX96 authorising that degree of force to be used upon us, right? But they're not the owners. They have no right, title, interest or benefit in that property. Isn't that theft by force? I'll leave these questions up to you. I have the material evidence. I will put the links below the video. This isn't just me. As far as I am aware, this is every single mortgage in the country. Please check it out for yourself. It's vitally important. This is how they've duped us. This is how they are keeping us slaves. Thank you very, very, very much again for all your help, all your support. Well over 1 million views. They've been shutting me down at every stage. I couldn't have done this without your support. I am so, so grateful. And this isn't just for me. My house is gone. This is for you people out there, because they are doing this 70,000 times a year in this country, and it needs to stop because they don't even own it. Once again, thank you very much. More to come.